I've been getting out of bed these past few days. Think it's fair to be proud about it. I've quit ordering from all those fast food chains. I'm feeling better, there's no doubt about it. And my days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real for a minute?
Hello, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
Why am I always doing this? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you're here. Okay, so I have a wig review for you today. Because that's what we do here. We review wigs. All right, let's see who we're talking about. I do have clips of me getting her together in the cap construction, and I'll go ahead and put that up in the corner for ya. All right, today we have Noriko. Came in this box. Look at this funky doodle. Look. Ooh, ooh. This is Miss Shilo, and I have her in the color Chestnut. I got Shilo from Wigs.com. She was $326.99. I got 40% off, so then I got her for $196. She is a monofilament top wig. She does have, and the monofilament's from here to here, and then from here to here. And she does have, you'll see in the clips, this sort of poly strip in the front, and that is so that you can put tape on, like wig tape, or glue if you would want to do that. It says that she has an average cap. She be feeling small. Okay. I usually wear an average cap, and I just feel like, I don't have a wig grip or anything. I'm just saying this is probably on the smaller side. She has, her fibers are pretty soft. This is all the hair to the front. So the density is, I guess for a lot of people this would be more about realistic density because it's not super thick. I don't hate it. It's not showing any wefts or anything. I just wish it was just a little bit more, just a tiny bit more. But that's for my personal preference. Why did I say preference? Let's look at her from the back. Who says preference?
I'm confused.
Me. I mean, I guess it's not bad from the back in terms of the volume. I feel like a cute little something with her would be nice. Let's talk about my thoughts. Okay, so pause on my thoughts for just very quickly. What I have on my eyes today, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes Melosa palette, and it looks like this. I used this color OJ right here, okay, and that's on the lower lash line. And then in the crease, I used this shade called Pomegranate. On the lid, I have this shade Bottomless, and then also Cheers, and this look.
This is the look, this is the look, this is...
Issues. Okay, how do I feel about this wig? I have a couple feelings. I like it, okay? I think the density is going to be really great for someone who doesn't want a ton of hair, wants an everyday wig. I feel like because she's a little bit thinner though, you're going to have to be careful in terms of static and, you know, kind of keep on her for tangling. Also, she's not heat safe. So in order to set the part where I wanted to, you saw in the clips, I had to sort of part it and then put my clips, spray it with hairspray and put my clips in. And that did really, really work. And I feel like especially, you know, like that, you can make it the way you wanted it. I guess because I have an issue with bangs all the time, I'm not 100% pleased with where the bangs are. Like, I just wish, you see how they're like this? I just wish these were just a little bit longer. She does look cute, like sort of tucked behind the ear, and she's easy to do. She does have bendable ear tabs, which is nice if you want to tuck your hair behind your ears, if you wear glasses or, you know, wearing your mask. I myself am fully vaccinated, so I'm excited about that. Although she's small, there is a bit of permatease here, but it's like, yes, I'm pressing down and you're like, oh, it's actually like the cap is bigger there as well. Like there's a little bit of space here. So depending on your like shape of your head, that might be good. I want to see if I can sort of move her and see if I can get a different type. I don't know, something is with this side of bangs. You saw me getting her together and I played with the bangs because that's the whole point of a monofilament part, is to be able to do different things with it a little bit, to part it different ways to your preference. I don't know why I'm talking like that. I really don't. And you probably won't understand either, so. I don't know. I don't like a heavy bang, but I kind of feel like this is better for this wig. I mean, it makes it look wiggy, and I don't want it to look wiggy. I just feel like I need to adjust it a little bit just so the bangs are at least, do you see how, I don't know what it is that I feel is not working for me. Let's try to see if I can do it on this side. This is when long nails really comes in handy, is trying to part these wigs. Okay, so that's, I think it's because, you know, the front of this doesn't have lace right at the front because it has that place where you can glue it down, which is really nice, especially if you are someone who, you know, does not have hair at all there. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I like it on this side better. Let me spray her. Maybe it was just the side. You know, we all have a side of like where I prefer a middle part, but if I'm gonna part, you know, we have a sort of a side that we prefer. And I usually like a right-sided part, but on an occasion, or no, I'm sorry, I usually like a left-sided part, but on an occasion, a right-sided part, you know, really works with a particular wig, and I feel like this is one of those occasions. I just feel like the way that the bangs are in this side, it makes more sense to be sort of a left-sided part, or I'm sorry, a right-sided part. A lot of parts on wigs are right-sided, so I don't know if I don't have it. I used to have a left-sided part playlist because I did prefer left-sided parts, and they were just wigs that had set parts were really harder to come by. If it's not there, I can make it, it's just like not like active. I can make it active again if that's something that people think that they would want to be checking out. I love the color. The color is called Chestnut. I mean, it's definitely way more red than like chestnutty, but I do love this color quite a bit, and I just feel like I need to zhuzh her up a little bit. So I'm loving the color. I like the concept of this wig. It really reminds me of Angelica. Angelica, I just did a comparison between Angelica and Ashlyn. See, I feel like the bangs are wrong. I just did a comparison between Angelica and Ashlyn, and I feel like this could be Angelica. If you didn't watch the video, Angelica does come in both a basic cap and a monofilament version, and I was thinking when I got this that this is sort of like that style. The monofilament style of Angelica. I should do a comparison between this wig, definitely, and Angelica, but I just feel like the bangs are just a little bit different. I don't know, maybe it's one of those situations. Angelica has like a lot more, not a ton of permatease, but has a lot more permatease. Maybe we needed permatease. We needed something. It's like I already got her together. I guess I have to re-get her together. But this happens with me. Okay, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, yeah. See, now I feel like there's like an opening for the part. Okay, hold it. Hold! This has happened to me before where like once I messed with a wig, I liked it, but it took me a second. Maybe we're getting somewhere now. Yeah, I think someone's gonna really love the density of this wig. Like I said, I just want a tiny bit more. This is my thing. So I have a thing about bangs. So a lot of this is just me wanting the bangs to sit in a certain way. Let me clip this back real quick. Like, a lot of it is really just me. But I definitely feel like the bangs are in a better place for me. All right, let me just wait for this to dry just a hair, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. I think I'm much happier with this. So I did find where I wanted the part. I sprayed it and clipped it down just until it's almost dry. I did put some powder in the part. I just use this, it's like for eyeliner, it's like a toothbrushy. They call them, sometimes they call them oval makeup brushes. You can see, I love them for wigs, because this one here, like if you need to add rooting or close a part up, these are perfect for that. Okay, and then this one is just perfect for the part. It just fits right in there. I also like to bring the powder down a little bit. Like, I don't like to just stop right at the edge of the part. I feel like that just makes it look a little more realistic, where if you're pulling that powder down to your head. And then of course I blend the powder in on my actual head. I actually use my my bronzer, you know, like what's left on the bronzer, to do that. And I just feel like it, you know, ends up looking a little bit more realistic. Okay, let's see what we got going on. Oh yeah. We're in better position now. Oh yeah, so for this one, like, because it wasn't heat safe, you can still set it into place. It's just, you have to, you know, put the hairspray on and then let it dry. And of course you're not going to want to like brush through it a ton of times then. Exactly how I am doing it. Yeah, I think this one's cute. I do like it. I definitely like it. And especially if you want a low density, more like realistic wig with this monofilament parting, I think this would be a great option. My issue is just how bangs look, and that's just my personal issue and struggle with bangs. Yeah, so what are your thoughts on this Shilo wig? And also, would you like to see a comparison between this and Angelica, which I don't remember if Angelica is a Noriko. Okie doke. That's what I have for you. Please check out my name brand wig playlist for the other name brand wigs that I have reviewed. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.